connection so that we may persist in the journey toward peace.
And I'm glad to announce that Father Leo Distor has taken over, and we continue, and I'd like to introduce him now to this.
Good afternoon to all of you. In the name of peace and in behalf of the Malate Parish of Our Lady of Remedies, I am happy and delighted to greet you and to welcome all of you into this venue. And I think we believe, we believe that questing together or working together for peace is the vital role of the Church, the government, and the ecumenical movement of today as well.
I'll go with a historical review of the GPH-NDFP talks. Alam po nyo that we are already, this year, I think 48 years of the communist insurgency, the longest insurgency in the world today. Of course, Rey may dispute me on this, but I say that we've been negotiating for the last 27 years. Over 40 rounds of talks, over 5 presidencies, and I am the 5th panel chair. We reiterate the call of government that we have not closed the doors to peace. We want identifiable subject matters that we can talk about, and we want an immediate effect or result with regards to our public, meaning to say, lessening of violence. If we can only talk about lessening of violence, that would already have been a great accomplishment as far as government is concerned.
Ito yung update. The third-party facilitator, the Royal Norwegian Government, proposed informal talks in May. Talks to be held in May, no? Hindi yung proposal itong May lang. They did that in March, proposing it be held in May. Kasi kailangan nila ng 3 weeks at least to prepare for the venue, for the transportation, yung airfares, etc. Anong response ng NDF? Despite all these gross violations of the bilateral peace agreements, the NDF is still willing to hold informal talks. So, kinol nila. Sabi ni Secretary Ledesma, ayaw na namin kahit yung informal talks kasi pag-uusapan lang yung JASI. Of course, NDF will bring it up because NDF thinks it's important. Pero sinasabi pa ng NDF na yun lang ang pag-uusapan? Hindi. Kasi pwede pag-usapan yung special track. In addition, sa pinakahuling statement ni Louis Halandoni, dated April 8 or April 10, sinabi niya na meron silang pinropose na doable, sinasabing doable, peace issues. In response to yung sabi ni Secretary Teres at binanggit ni Alex na kailangan doable tsaka may time-bound. Okay, nag-set din ng nanunumpan. 3 months. 3 months to discuss rehabilitation of Yolanda because it's urgent. 3 months to discuss yung anong gagawin sa land reform kasi di ba mag-expire na yung law. Ano na mangyayari doon sa mga kailangang i-land reform pa. 3 months para pag-usapan yung mga matataas na presyo ng mga bilihin na umaalag. Yan, baka naman pwede niyan yung So, as far as NDF is concerned, despite yung sinabing hindi nag-expect, kasi ang NDF ganyan, if you've been a revolutionary for some time, your policy is to what? Hope for the best, but expect the worst. That's how you survive. Hope for the best, that's what the NDF is doing, hoping for the best, but at the same time, preparing or expecting the worst. Last message, tingin namin, ang tingin ng NDF, mas mabilis na mababalik yung resumption ng talks, yung whether informal or formal, kung mapalakas natin yung clinic natin, yung boses natin, yung sarili nating mga panawagan mula sa mga churches, mula sa communities, mula sa schools, na gusto nating maibalik yung usapang pangkapalaran. Maraming salamat.
Okay, ang last kong appeal ganito. we have visited Alan Hasbines twice in Bikutan. Ang hirap talaga ng kulungan ni Alan doon. Ang ano ko lang, hindi ba talaga maaaring i-release si Alan? Can we not have Alan Hasbines released? And related to that, if I'd like, kasi ito si Wilma Tiamson at saka si sino ito isa, yung Benito Tiamson at Wilma Austria. Hindi ko talaga nami-meet yung mga taong yan in my life, no? Pwede ba sila madalaw, let's with your support, with your endorsement? Okay?
Yeah.
Oh, yun lang ang aking tanong at marami pong salamat mga kapatid.
Salamat sa iyo for, I'd like just to affirm what Al is saying. Ask you all to rise kasi this is a historical moment that these two people have given us the whole afternoon sitting together for our, bigyan natin ang standing ovation na standing ovation.